जेलसी हो जाएगी कि कहाँ कहाँ मतलब एक तो ब्रांड्स फिल्में और ये
बहुत jealousy actresses.
किस किस को है जेलसी?
The whole idea behind this, when we got this special edition, this Micra Shift, which is a new way, shift to fun, we also want to reach out to more and more people, more and more Indians on the road. Men, women, young, old, everybody who wants fun in their life. So we have a very attractive price. All these features, all this technology, all this CVT at a very, very attractive price. Can we have the price, please?
Thank you for calling it a fruitful venture. But the thing is that this is a new model, limited edition, and as you could see, the price is very affordable for people like me who want to have stylish things, but doesn't want to spend all their money on the style and fashionable part of it. And its size is very practical for Mumbai and its traffic and parking and all of that. And the best thing is it's Nissan. It's automatic and it's the easiest you could expect from an automatic car. So this is for me as good as it can get, and they hired me for this launch. I am honored because they feel that I like to do things hatke, which is a little unusual and different in a very positive way. I like to think.
Kangana, personally speaking, are you a materialistic person in life?
Oh yes, totally.
Tell us about your first car.
My first car was, I bought my own first car. It wasn't gifted by my father or anyone. And I like to say that money can't buy everything, but it can buy most of it. And being an independent girl, I always put my work as a priority because, I don't give in to all that philosophical talks that, money is nothing and it's the real thing in life, but it's because of money that today I could give a very comfortable life for my parents. I could afford a very secure future for myself, and I could actually support causes that I really believe in. It's all because of because of my work and things that I could earn in my life, and things that make me happy, like a car like this that I could give to myself on a New Year Eve or maybe the day I want to pamper myself.
Kangana, usually when an actor is associated with a brand and the brand like a product and the product is found faulty, so the actor too is held responsible. And recently Amit G has included a clause in his contract that if the product is found faulty, so he should be held liable for it. So what is your take on that, and are you going to include such a clause in your contract as well?
Well, the thing is that that we can't be held responsible for anything like that, yes, we do believe in a product, and I don't do many products for the same reason that I don't believe in those products. But something like Nissan, I am really honored to be associated with, because a brand like Nissan has, actually withstood the test of time for decades, and I am very, very proud to be associated with Nissan.
Kangana, good afternoon to you.
Hi, good afternoon.
Brilliant. आपकी लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज मतलब माशाल्लाह क्या हो गई है?
मुझे पता, जब मैंने आपको देखा तो मुझे पता था यहाँ से ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे.
तो मतलब कहाँ से ये क्या किया है आपने, मतलब चमत्कार है?
तो आपने मेरी हरियाणवी नहीं सुनी?
लेकिन आप इंग्लिश सुन रहे हैं.
हाँ, तो आई थिंक लैंग्वेज नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. चाहे वो हरियाणवी हो, चाहे वो इंग्लिश हो, चाहे वो दिल्ली का एक्सेंट हो क्वीन में, तो इट नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस.
And I agree with what she says, actually.
The way passionately you were speaking about the car, I hope you will be gifting a car to Kangana today.
It's something that we can discuss afterwards. Why not? Good suggestion.
He's my friend.
You're my friend as well.
Kangana, इतने सारी फिल्में और ये सब, आपको लगता है एक्ट्रेसेस को जेलसी हो जाएगी कि कहाँ कहाँ मतलब एक तो ब्रांड्स फिल्में और ये
बहुत जेलसी एक्ट्रेसेस.
किस किस को है जेलसी?
अब मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी, इवेंट के बाद.
तो आपको लगता है कि अनसिक्योर कर देती है लोगों को मतलब अपने ब्रांड से?
Kangana, you will be playing the role of Rani Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. Tell us something about what kind of preparations you will be doing, because that's an intense.
Let me take that question later.
Let her answer, no?
Yeah, that film will start in 2016, and it is the most ambitious project from our country, I'd say. It will be Indo-British production and will be shot in 2 languages. So I'll practice many things, So we'll talk about that later.
Kangana, I have been approached for Mr. Chalu again. So are you signing that film?
No, I haven't been approached for that again.
कंगना, आपकी फिल्म आई लव NY अभी हाल ही में रिलीज होने वाली है, लेकिन आपकी टीम से ना ही आप ना ही सनी देओल कोई भी प्रमोट करते हुए दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है इस फिल्म को।
बिकॉज
क्या
हमें
वजह है?
पूछा ही नहीं प्रमोट करने के लिए, उन्होंने रिलीज़ कर दी भूषण सर ने। ही इज़ टेलिंग मी ऐसे निकल, जैसे इंजेक्शन देने से पहले डॉक्टर कहता है ना आंखें बंद निकल जाएगी, सो ही इज़ टेलिंग मी थोड़ी सी कंगना जी निकल जाएगी, सो आई सेड ओके फाइन।
तो फिल्म की रिलीज में
सक्सेस मिली है आपको, बहुत बहुत बधाई। आई कुडंट मीट यू इन द बिटवीन, हैव यू चेंज्ड, मतलब आपको लगता है कि आप बदल गई हैं किसी तरह से, या मतलब टू अदर पीपल और एनीवन?
Well, growth is a natural process and it should never stop. So I would like to grow as an individual and grow and change probably in the right direction. अगर वो हो तो अच्छा है, अगर change हो गलत direction में हो तो वो अच्छा नहीं है।
Last question, please. Your Rangoon co-star Shahid just got married. So, any wishes that you would like to give up?
बहुत शुभकामनाएं उनको।
Thank you very much. Thank you.